Hello and welcome to another update video about LINK. LINK continues to trend sideways here in this corrective phase, which is probably a wave 4, so it hasn't changed from the last update at all. The idea, if you might remember from previous updates, is that a larger degree fourth wave completed here on the 8th of January, and the larger degree fifth wave is currently unfolding, which would confirm and complete a wave 1. Yeah, so within this fifth wave, we have another wave 1, a wave 2 pullback, a wave 3, a wave 4 pullback, and this wave 4 pullback might be unfolding right now. And we haven't seen really a sustained break above the descending trend line there that we have on the chart. In fact, it just continues to move in corrective patterns. That's basically in line with the previous update, also the wave count here. My assumption is still that it's possible that we've seen now a B wave top, so the A wave down in 3 waves, the B wave to the upside, and now a C wave down. I have to say though, I mean, again, really the nano counting is unreliable, but it is possible that this is a small 5 wave move up here. So it could be that this B wave easily extends higher. And how would it do that? Well, it would simply do that in a larger ABC, okay? So A wave, B wave, C wave. Yeah? So that would be a perfectly acceptable wave count. It's nothing that you can really predict unless you really focus on it and you're trading the micro all the time. Then you would be watching for the price to reverse before making a new low. So if the price shows a reaction before breaking below 1937, then it's going to extend its B wave. Okay, so that always happens with B waves. I shouldn't say always, but it tends to happen. So that's one scenario, but it's also possible that this B wave has topped as a show here. Could even be here. We can debate that, that doesn't matter anyway. It's just important to recognize that unless we have 5 waves up, again, you can't confirm that this wave 4 is over. And I'm skeptical that the wave 4 is over here because we haven't even reached the support zone. It is just an ideal support zone. It's not really a minimum that the price has to do. I think from a duration point of view, that wave 4 is already acceptable, but it would still look better if the wave 4 came into the support region, or at least, would give us maybe one more leg down. Again, not needed. We already have 3 waves down, but I need to see a break above the recent high at $20.85 to really suggest the wave 5 is unfolding. It will depend to a degree on the structure. So what we normally need to see is obviously that 5 wave move up, okay? A first 5 wave move up. The problem here, when we wait for a 5 wave move up, we're likely already at the end of this of this 5 wave pattern. So again, it's very simple. I mean, we can debate about the structure, discuss the microstructure. That changes in corrective patterns anyway. I think it's likely and reasonable that we see a move down in wave C or 4. It will need to confirm that by breaking below the A wave low of this correction, which is at $19.15. And then we talk about this extended ABC, and then we can confirm that C wave, and it's likely going to land somewhere in the region between $16.78 and $18.83. Most likely in the area really around that 38.2 retracement level there. We can also calculate a target for the C wave if we break down now, and it is likely going to be in the region. More specifically, this is the difference between target, Fibonacci extension, and support. So there's an additional area here between the 100% extension and the 161.8 extension level between 1854 and 1755. I would pay attention to that level in addition. Okay, and it's actually including that 38.2 retracement level. So yeah, I mean, what can I say? There's currently no evidence the wave 4 is over. The wave 4, if it was a wave 4, it was quite shallow. So I tend to prefer then that we get a more healthy wave 4, and it would take a break above the $20, let's say $20.90 level to suggest that wave 5 is already unfolding. And it should take us to $23.78 at least, possibly higher, yeah. So this is the overall area that I specified a few months ago as a target for Circle Wave 5. Whereas I have to say that we've only just reached the minimum. Okay, we've only reached the minimum. And a break below 1678, which is the 50% retracement level, well, that would indicate that a more substantial top is in place. We might then argue that the wave 1 is already in place, but we are holding support at the moment, and the move down looks nicely corrective, slow motion-like. Choppy, that's what you want to see in this move down, so that we can actually suggest trend continuation to the upside is basically favored, yeah. That's my update about Link. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.